هذا ماليزيا، هذا كوالالمبور. غاټ مسجد دی ماشاءالله. Yeah.
They will tell you there is Arabic.
Ampang.
Yeah.
But not no.
Point, you know.
I have to go there then. What about Afghan community or Pakistani community?
Because in the Ampang area, there are a lot of embassies, especially Arabic state, right? So there are a lot communicate in that area. So if anything happen to you, it's near to your embassy.
And it's I don't think there will happen anything to me in Malaysia.
Yeah, sometimes you want to go back emergency, right?
Yeah.
It's near to you.
Okay, but in Ampang and other area with a lot of Arabic and Afghan restaurants,
mostly in Bukit Bintang, Arab Street.
Arab Street. Is there in the city? Okay.
Yeah, you don't know. Oh, I mean you are still not going Kuala Lumpur, right?
Yes.
But Ampang, you need to go.
I have noted Ampang and Bukit Bintang, yeah.
They got Arab Street.
Okay, Arab Street, yeah.
I thought you go there already.
This area, what is it called? Bangsa? Bangsa, which kind of area this one is?
Elite area.
Elite area?
Yeah, office, elite. Can say rich people stay here.
Rich people stay here. Okay. You live here?
No.
Okay.
No, too expensive.
Too expensive, okay. It reminds me a little bit like Satyavangsa, but because of the style, yeah.
I mean, Langkawi still not go lah.
Okay.
A bit expensive lah. But Thailand is sure food is
this way. This is also built by English or still working?
Yeah, still.
Yeah, they make good quality. And Nigara Mosque is there. You have been there. You can drop off everywhere you want. I have been here. Subhanallah. This is the museum.
National Museum different. This one Islamic Museum.
This
different
one, I think this one. Yeah, no, not National Museum. This one.
Islamic one after.
Okay. So this is, what is this?
This one is National Islamic Law.
It's not the museum.
Museum upstairs.
Oh, this is also mine. Yeah. This is also the same color. Assalamu alaikum. Selamat datang.
Alright.
Assalamu alaikum. Sure. شهر موټرو ماشاءالله دا دی رالو دلته دا مسجد ته د مخم راغلی وم په 2000 ولد. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. What is your name, my friend? Hassan, mashallah. Okay.
Where are you from?
I am from Afghanistan. Okay. Yeah, Afghanistan. Okay, what do you know about Afghanistan?
Yeah, I know. Afghanistan, okay.
Yeah. You from Malaysia?
Yeah, from Malaysia.
Originally?
Yes.
Mashallah. Okay. So what time they will pray? And khutbah in English or
Malay?
No English?
No English.
Okay, inshallah it's okay, Islamic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Salam alaikum, brother Hassan.
What's your
channel?
Channel.
Okay. Oh.
Where part of Afghanistan?
Yeah, from Kandahar.
Kandahar.
Yeah, you know Kandahar?
I'm from.
You heard? Okay. Yeah.
Kandahar.
Yeah, so it's it.
Oh.
Yeah. Time. If he has time, sir. Okay, brother Hassan. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Salam alaikum. Maybe see you in masjid. Okay. Yeah. Salam alaikum. Yeah. Thank you so much. Salam alaikum.
England er så og i USA er det
راځئ چې د ملیشیایي ډوډۍ ټیسټ کو ورسو ځای په پلین کې ودرېږئ یو شی بستي لکه چیش دي ناسي بریاني اوهو ښه دی یا ناسي بریاني او ورسه په لین کې ودرېږه تر ځای چې وګورو چې شیش دي
På Indiaki, så er det også sådan et rigtig stort brød med kød og sauce.
Você restaurant Sí.
ښه نو دغه دي اوس به ناسي ګورنګ وکړو آیم ګورنګ ملیشیایي ډوډۍ ماجب ښه ډوډۍ ده یو شی دا دی مزهداره ښه ده ډېر پاک پاکخور خلک دي او دا دی چې مثلا بادرنګ و بوره هم سره ګډي او خټکی و رومۍ هم درته ګډي مقصد د خوږو ترخه دواړه ګډي دغه زما سم پر طبیعت نه دي برابر نور نو به وګورو چیش لري
Ini memang 3 kami satu lagi. 51.
Okay, so what is it? It's all the same or different?
So basically we have beef,
Yeah.
lamb and chicken.
Okay.
So beef is the price is 14 ringgit and then the lamb is 17, chicken is 13 ringgit.
Okay, is the same spicy or different?
The same is only beef and lamb and then the chicken just a little bit spicy only.
Okay, can you please give me one of each?
One of each.
Yeah.
One of each split.
Yes,
Beef one, lamb one, chicken one.
yes, yes, please.
Chicken what you
All the same, yeah. Sorry?
What type you want?
I want small pieces because I have kid, okay?
Okay.
So maybe this, can I show you what we...
Drumstick.
Yeah. Thank you, perfect.
Habis satu.
Also small pieces, please. Perfect. You give to this
You want this
little...
gravy?
No, thank you.
Spicy.
A little bit maybe.
Yeah, just a little bit. Small piece.
Yeah.
I put here.
The key. You have spoon?
Yeah, I have.
Spoon, okay. Okay, thank you. You can give me one number 4 also with this one. One extra, so I get 4. Yeah. Spoon coming.
Terima kasih bang.
So, how long you have done this one?
For the family business,
Yeah.
around
Okay, family business.
family business.
Okay,
So
mashallah.
my age is 22.
Yeah, okay,
Basically,
mashallah.
Before
Thank you so much.
I have in the my mother and my dad.
Mashallah, always here in front
Yeah.
of masjid.
Only
Mashallah.
had in Friday only.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Give to this boss.
And then another one lamb, right?
Yeah, perfect. ورسې ځای پیدا کړي و ورسې ځای پیدا کړم یو وړلې اکرمه ښه د غوایي غوښې دي د پسه غوښې دي thank you so much Mr. Nasrat see you again السلام علیکم hey I forgot to pay.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't pay. I thought it was for free today.
Times 2 and
Yeah.
then plus 14 and then plus 30.
Okay.
So 60.
Yeah.
61.
Yeah.
60
Nasrat, how you catch me? I thought I can go and eat for free today.
No, okay, no.
Okay, here you go.
Just 5 and 6 and 10 ringgit. Thank
Yeah.
you, brother.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Sorry. Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. نږدې مو موت ځینې خوړلې وه ډوډۍ مې واخیستله نو د دم پام نه و زما هم پام نه و کړپ ولاړمه دغه ته ولاړمه په ځای پسې ګرځېدلمه چې کتله مې پیسې مې په لاس کې دي او دی مریان دی زم چې دا پیسې خو مو نه دي ورکړي نو هغه و چې اخیر مو بیرته ورکړلې اوس به یې دلته نوشي جان د دغسې مسجد و څنګ ته ماشاءالله یو وارې مو 2 کاله در مخه لمونځ کړی دی اوس به یې بیا پس کوو هغه دی یا بل مسجد نمې نم دی خوند کوي نه مې خوند کوي کریمه غوښه ده او د چرګ دا دواړه بسم الله ډېر ښه خوند یې دی اصلي بریاني ده خو ډېره ترخه هم ده نو خوند یې په دغه کې دی چې د یوې خوا ګرمي او د بلې خوا ښه ترخه او غوړ وي بله به ورته کاش کو د چرګ ده د رښتیا چې آیم ګورم دی او اخري به اوس دغه دا هم وخورو ښه پستې غوښې خوږې غوښې دي په 14 رنګیته دي 14 رنګیته تقریبا یو 8 ډالره به کېږي نو په هر شي ارزي ښه ښایسته پاکې غوښې دي ډېر ښه خوند کوي د پسه د چرګ نه عجب ښه شربتان دي نه What is this one, my friend?
This one. Yeah.
So this is papaya,
Yeah, papaya.
and this is
Melon.
melon,
Yes,
and watermelon, and this one?
Guava.
Guava.
Yeah, that's right.
This I need to try this, but after the mosque, I think.
Okay, yes,
I
no
love
worries.
the refreshment.
Okay.
Thank you so much, my
Thank
friend.
you so much.
Okay,
I'll
this
be
is the
waiting
water.
for you.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, thank you. How much is for water? Just to know.
Yeah, 2 ringgit each.
2 ringgit.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
that's
next month,
perfect.
don't
Thank
take
you
it.
so much, brother. Your name is?
Shafi.
Shafi. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, you're here.
Okay. Yeah, see you. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I will try the juice there. ښه د ده سمه اوبه واخیستلې په 2 رنګیته باندې یو دانه دغه دي او دلته به یو بل شی م واخلو چې دی چیش خرڅي بیا به ورسو د انارو جوس ته د انارو جوس هم بد نه دی
Where do you come from?
I come from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
In Afghanistan I show you we have so much of this
Yeah. Because
have you seen?
Here don't have.
I know. Okay.
That's why here expensive.
Yeah. I drink in Afghanistan for maybe 1.5 ringgit. 1.5 ringgit. 1.5 ringgit. Almost 2 ringgit.
Oh, 2 ringgit.
You can drink as much as you want.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. As much.
But the fruit same like this, huh?
No, it's very better. 2 of this, in one size.
Big, big.
Yeah. And very sweet. I will show you later. So your name was?
My name is Iqbal.
Muhammad Iqbal. And you originally from?
Yeah, I'm from Johor Bahru.
Deobaru in Malaysia.
Local.
And you have your brother with you?
Yeah, this one from
Assistant.
Myanmar.
Okay. Okay.
No,
Let's see how you make this one, brother.
I'm can English little bit.
Your English is quite good, mashallah.
No, I'm slow.
Yeah,
low
you
English.
do good job. You do good job, brother.
Okay.
You give me fresh. You give me fresh. What was the name of this one?
Delima.
Delima.
We call here Delima.
Delima.
Yes. Buah Delima.
Let's see how you make this Delima from A to Z. From A to Z.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the real Delima is.
You upload in the YouTube.
Yes, I do.
What your YouTube name?
My YouTube name is Delima Lover. No, I will show you in a little bit time. That's Delima 1.
Jangan jangan pajak aku itu.
Ada plastik.
Okay, dia tak minum dulu.
Jumlah terus. Dia nak plastik kan? Dia nak plastik kan?
Delima di day. ښه پاک ښایسته ګوره دا دا یو شی بیا ښه دی
Etian gurih memang.
ښه پاک شانې دي
Hai.
Eva
For botol bos.
4 bottle yes
Okay.
Budget.
you my guest okay you drink sometimes yourself or no
Yeah, I'm some.
only if you have rest eh?
No, I'm every day I'm drink this.
Okay yeah it's good here you go my friend
Yeah. Kenapa ni?
one yeah
No, this one 68.
okay just 1 second
Yeah.
I will find for you maybe you take this one more
100 so
Yeah.
32. 32.
yeah
32 more. Ada?
Tak ada 10 dah. Tak ada 10
Aduh, RM10 dah tak ada. Tukar dengan ni acik wait 1 minute.
yeah I wait
Tukar
بس به وګورو خوان څنګه دی دلیما کوالالمپور بسم الله عجب خوان کی زینا دغه بچی ثانک یو باس عجب خوان کی شتور ودی خواږه دي او ډېر ښه دي ماشاءالله نامې دي بد نه دي دته ورکړه دا رقم لاس بوتل مې درته چړلې سوای
Okay, I'm already subscribed.
oh thank you
Okay,
so
boss.
much okay so have you seen another people from Afghanistan
Here,
yeah
many.
you have okay great
Afghanistan, Pakistan.
yeah almost have a nice day thank you Mr. Dalima man yeah see you brother yeah can you give me one piece
Depan no.
then
Ya tahu. Thank you brother.
okay here you go my friend what is your name
Helmi, where you from?
Helmi I am from Afghanistan yeah you know what do you know about Afghanistan no not more 40 years it was but since I was born now first time it's finished now some people from Malaysia they come as tourists now you can come as tourists like I come to Malaysia
You government right?
yeah
It's Taliban.
yeah 3 years ago now you can come everybody can come
Okay, good.
now it's perfect better than never before like in Malaysia here yeah
Economy okay?
economy a little bit difficult but otherwise it's okay I will take it like this
So, are you student or tourist?
no I am tourist here I came yesterday night today first day I want to go to mosque
Okay. See all the penny.
yeah
Okay brother.
okay brother see you thank you you have any tissue
I don't know. Brother.
thank you it's okay I have family there sitting so they will thank you sure ramuni wala chish murani wala cherk murani wi
Okay.
thank you my friend salam alaikum see you sure da murani wi chergum azan وسو azan لا azan بیا به د اذان بعد اول ته انار پسې شو د خیر سره دلته نو ښه سړی غواړي په دې چې دغه دی په دې چې ګرمي ده ښه چې ټیسټ یې کړو چې څنګه خوند یې کوي دغه آیم ګورنګ چرګ سل فیصده ښه خوند ماشاءالله فلسطین په شیلی ارزي ده